breaking news update that we are following early this morning. At the Mahagathbandhan press conference venue, posters have only in fact shown Tejasvi Yadav. There's no mention of Rahul Gandhi or even the Congress party. BJP has now again mocked the opposition and the unity that they are trying to project, and they have fired a salvo against the Congress party, and they've also said Congress ka saman chori. This is what they are going with. This is the barb that they are going with. Let me take this across to my colleague Pallavi Ghosh, who's now with us on the broadcast. Pallavi, what does one see from this particular poster that has been put out on the venue, the Mahagathbandhan press conference? No Congress, no Rahul Gandhi. It's only Tejasvi, RJD that is shown in the poster.
Yes, I'm just going to give you a look at that poster, which is just right behind me. You can see that large number of chairs there. I think there are 9 chairs which are here, and all representatives of the political parties are going to be sitting right over here. But on the poster, it is very clearly written Mahagathbandhan Press Varta, which means it's the press conference of the Mahagathbandhan, no doubts about that. It also talks about, after showing all the 7 symbols of the constituents, Mahagathbandhan Zindabad. But what is interesting is that it does talk about Bihar Mange Tejasvi Sarkar, Chalo Bihar, Bihar Badle. So basically, what is it that you're getting the messaging out of here with only the picture of Tejasvi Yadav? The press conference is only about Tejasvi Yadav. Clearly, at least the poster projects Tejasvi Yadav as the face of the Mahagathbandhan. If the Mahagathbandhan forms a government over here, it will be a Tejasvi Sarkar. The official announcement, mind you, has not yet been made by the Congress party. The other constituents like the VIP who I just spoke to have said yes, Tejasvi Yadav should be made the CM face officially by the Congress party. So all eyes on the Congress. The posters are conspicuous by the absence of any of the Congress faces. No face of Rahul Gandhi, no face of Ashok Gehlot, none of the state leadership of the Congress party also has been shown along with that of Tejasvi Yadav. So the joint press conference is clearly all about Tejasvi Yadav, and I think this also explains the kind of you would say the mayhem within the Mahagathbandhan. Ashok Gehlot being dashed off to Patna, he spent good 3 to 4 hours with Lalu Prasad Yadav and Tejasvi Yadav. All eyes are going to be on those 11 seats where you have multiple candidates of the Mahagathbandhan, whether it's the CPI versus Congress, also RJD versus Congress. Who withdraws? Will it be the Congress which is going to be asked to withdraw? In that sense, it's going to be a clear giveaway that the Congress party is not calling the shots, is the RJD which is really calling the shots as far as the entire Mahagathbandhan politics goes. But in terms of the larger narrative, it is very, very clear that, unlike the NDA, which seems in control, there are going to be big bang rallies today and tomorrow. The Mahagathbandhan, of course, is showing a sense of disarray and chaos.
Right. Pallavi, in fact, you made a mention of how we've spoken to the VIP spokesperson, Mr. S.K. Singh. We're just playing out that conversation that you've had with him. I'll come back to you in just a bit.
Well, joining me now is the VIP, that's the party's spokesperson, S.K. Saini. मैं पोस्टर देख रही हूँ, ठीक हमारे पीछे है. ये कह तो रहा है कि महागठबंधन की प्रेस वार्ता है, लेकिन तस्वीर सिर्फ तेजस्वी यादव की है.
देखिए, एक्चुअली मैम मैं बता दूं आपको कि तेजस्वी यादव हमारे गठबंधन के मुख्य नेता हैं, और हम बिहार के स्टेट में जब चुनाव चल रहा है तो निश्चित तौर पर माननीय नेता के रूप में सारे पार्टियों का जो गठबंधन रहा है उसमें अभी हम मजबूत स्थिति में हैं, और विपक्षी या अन्यत्र जो एनडीए के लोग हैं वो तो इल्जामात लगाएंगे निश्चित तौर पर.
क्या ये मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा इनको घोषित किया जाएगा?
देखिए, मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा आपने देखा शुरू से हमारे माननीय नेता श्री मुकेश सहनी जी, वीआईपी के जो संस्थापक हैं, हमने शुरू में जब गठबंधन बना तो हम सारे लोगों के सहमति से बना, और निश्चित तौर पर हम सारे लोगों ने मिलकर के जो है माननीय तेजस्वी यादव को महागठबंधन का नेता के रूप में जो है हमने जो है ये किया. और गठबंधन इस बात पे ही हुआ था, बीच में थोड़ी मोड़ी भाई 4-5 भाई है तो निश्चित तौर पर कहीं ना कहीं
4-5 भाई में कांग्रेस की बात करें, क्योंकि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अभी तक औपचारिक रूप से ये नहीं कहा है कि मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा. आप तो खुल के कह रहे हो ना, मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा यही होंगे.
हमारी देखिए, हमने तो साफ शुरू से हमारी पार्टी का स्टैंड जो रहा निश्चित तौर पर जो है साफ रहा कि हम पूर्णतः जो है माननीय तेजस्वी यादव को विधायक दल का नेता, अगर हमारी सरकार में पूर्णतः जो है यहाँ हमारी सीट आती है, निश्चित तौर पर हम बड़े पैमाने पर यहाँ आ रहे हैं, तो हमने विधायक दल का नेता के रूप में जो है माननीय तेजस्वी यादव को ही चुनने का ये शुरू से ही प्रोग्राम रहा है.
कांग्रेस को नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसा ऐलान?
देखिए, कांग्रेस को उनका अपना विचार है। निश्चित तौर पर सेकंड सीएम की कुर्सी जो जाएगी, डिप्टी सीएम की कुर्सी जो जाएगी मुकेश सहनी के लिए, ये वार्ता बहुत दिन पहले ही हो चुकी थी।
क्या कांग्रेस मान गई है ये बात?
भाई, सारे लोगों की सहमति से ही हुआ था ऐसा। और रही
तो
बात बीच में थोड़ी सी खींचतान सीटों को लेकर के होते रहता है, तो निश्चित तौर पर हम अभी भी मजबूत स्थिति में हैं। और आने वाले समय में मैं बता दूं मैम कि आने वाले समय में सारी स्थिति को ठीक कर लिया जाएगा। और आपने देखा कि सिंबल हमारे
सिंबल आपके हैं, लेकिन महागठबंधन बिहार का प्रेस वार्ता में सिर्फ तेजस्वी यादव है, राहुल गांधी भी नहीं दिख रहे हैं।
देखिए,
तो क्या कांग्रेस नहीं औपचारिक रूप से
कुछ
उनको
देर में नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। जो यहाँ के श्री राहुल गांधी नेता जो है हमारे सेंट्रल के हैं, निश्चित तौर पर जो है विपक्ष के नेता हैं। आप ये सब इस बात को समझ लें। हमारे बिहार में, बिहार एक स्टेट का जो चुनाव चल रहा है, इसमें माननीय प्रभारी और
ये बात
सारे
मैं
लोग-
आपका मान गई, लेकिन संजय मुझे बताइए, क्या कांग्रेस को आप लोगों की तरह तेजस्वी यादव को मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा घोषित करना चाहिए, हाँ कि ना?
मेरा स्टैंड तो है कि निश्चित तौर पर जो है करना चाहिए,
बिल्कुल
निश्चित तौर।
Pallavi, SK Saini has not convincingly answered the questions that you posed to him regarding the Congress party. What do we see happening today? Is there going to be a Congress representation?
Well, the VIP, of course, has been having their own grudges against the Congress party, and Mr. Saini was making a reference to that. Their grudge is that, first of all, the Congress doesn't have too much of stake as far as the state politics goes. Then why are they muscle flexing? And what was the need for the Congress, for example, to put up candidates against the RJD, in some pockets against the CPI as well? I think the clarity is very much there from VIP. And remember, Mr. Mukesh Saini, who's a VIP chairperson, was sulking, and it was Lalu Prasad Yadav who had to reach out to him and convince him not to leave the Mahagathbandhan. So his loyalties are very clear of the VIP. It's going to be there with the RJD. So no surprises there as far as accepting Tejasvi Yadav as the face of the Mahagathbandhan. Their grudge against the Congress party is precisely this. Aap chote player ho, small player, why are you now flexing your muscles? And the second important thing is that why should the Congress party officially not accept Tejasvi Yadav as the face of the Mahagathbandhan? The press conference, which is going to begin at 11 a.m. roughly right over here, you see the 10 chairs which have been put up, and all of them are going to be filled up by the Congress leaders who are here, like Ashok Gehlot, Pawan Khera, the local leaders, VIP representatives, CPI as well. But I think all eyes will be on this particular question which will be asked of them is, are you going to accept Tejasvi Yadav, whose picture dominates this poster, as the face of the Mahagathbandhan, and will he be projected as the CM face of the Mahagathbandhan to be pitched opposite Nitish Kumar?
Well, absolutely, Pallavi. Thank you so much for all of that information. We'll keep an eye on this press conference as it is going to be beginning shortly.